Our country's ability to achieve its ambitious climate risk mitigation goals could very well hinge on the solar industry's ability to weather severe hailstorms.
Hail risk to solar projects is on the increase due to a perfect storm of technology and market changes. On the technology front, PV modules are becoming less hail resistant over time as manufacturers push value engineering envelopes with larger format products made with thinner front glass. At the same time, project development in the United States is increasing in Texas and other hail-prone parts of the country.
Hailstorms have resulted in record solar project losses. In May 2019, a severe hailstorm in West Texas damaged more than 400,000 modules at the Midway Solar Farm, resulting in losses on the order of $70 million. Last year, Business Insurance Magazine reported that U.S. renewable energy insurers are expected to pay out more than $300 million in claims resulting from the 2022 hail season in Texas. Left unchecked, these losses and claims are a threat to the largest domestic solar market. After the infamous Midway Solar event, VDE Americas started working on a project to calculate portfolio-level hail risk exposure for a large tax equity client. What followed has been a 3-plus-year voyage of discovery led by multiple PhDs, including one of the world's leading experts on hail forecasting.
Hailstorms are local weather phenomena that occur globally. We really don't have a good handle on how often the largest hail sizes occur over different parts of the world, but we do know that hailstones in excess of 12 centimeters, larger than a softball, occur regularly over the United States. There are many challenges with measuring and characterizing hail. Only by using novel approaches that combine the strengths of multiple data sets can we begin to examine long-term probabilistic hail loss at the local level and at the operational timescale of a solar project.
Working alongside Professor Allen, we have developed hazard analysis and mapping tools that assess hail risk based on product-specific resiliency characteristics, site-specific weather data, and operator-specific mitigation strategies.
We used statistical methods to account for hail return intervals and natural variances in kinetic energy associated with hailstone shape, density, and size. Our results use RATC's hail durability test data or other labs data to account for module glass thickness. We also account for the fact that intelligently controlled single-axis trackers can implement defensive stow strategies to reduce impact energies.
Informed by these data, we can quantify the financial value of risk mitigation approaches based on probable maximum and average annual loss values. Our clients for these risk assessments include insurance brokers, banks, investors, manufacturers, and asset owners and operators. Our team has developed a minimum viable software product based on the weather forecasting models used in VDE America's commercial hail risk assessments to increase customer education and acquisition. We developed this working prototype on GitHub using the Python programming language.
To characterize location-specific hail risks, users simply key in the lat-long coordinates for a project site and press enter. Using these coordinates only, the software can generate a comparative neighborhood hail report or return interval curves for naturally occurring hail. For forensic investigations into the impacts of real-world hailstorm events, our model also requires a timestamp. The output of this tool is a GIF animation showing event-specific hailstone size estimates based on radar reflectivity data.
With the continued support of the American-made Solar Prize, the HailCat team will accelerate the development of a user interface for its innovative software platform. Using the program funds, we will hire a full-time software and web development resource. This new employee will dramatically increase customer acquisition and product delivery.
Our business model is carefully designed to provide value to as many industry stakeholders as possible. By providing neighborhood reports for free, we will capture quantified leads and convert these leads into paying customers for subscription-based software products. Importantly, we will do so in a way that does not cannibalize the demand and revenue associated with our growing hail risk advisory services.
HailCat quantifies the financial risk associated with severe hail. By educating and advising the industry, we can improve mitigation strategies, ensuring hail risk does not limit market expansion. By facilitating continued market growth in hail-prone regions, HailCat software and engineering due diligence will facilitate a climate-resilient, solar-powered future.